Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into the rate of the basal electrical rhythm. The rate of the basic electrical rhythm. So the base of the basal electrical rhythm, and in case of various regions, in various rhythms, various regions. So what does this include? So first is it includes the stomach. The stomach means the rate of BER, it is about 4. So it is 4, and then comes the duodenum, the maximum. What we are discussing here, it will be the duodenum. So duodenum, it amounts to about 12. The rate of BER is about basal electrical rhythm is about 12. And then comes the distal ileum. So what happens to the distal ileum? Distal ileum is about 8. And then the cecum. The cecum is about 2, and also the sigmoid. So what about the sigmoid? Sigmoid amounts to 6 per minute. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.